All right, I'm back. Your boy Beacon. Time for a little nightly rant. We're back on the AI rants. We try to read some papers. We're too dumb. We can't understand the math. I actually just went to go read another paper right now. It's 40 pages long. I don't got time for that. So I wanted to talk about something that's been kind of percolating in my mind since yesterday when we were reading the DeepSeek R1 paper, which was essentially about how these language models are producing output in multiple languages, and then we, as humans, are having another step where we are trying to coalesce it into one language to make it easier for us. The languages naturally want to think in multiple languages. And this got me thinking. There's like this meme I've been seeing going around the web, the internet, like if you want to make your AI smarter, just say, think in Chinese. It thinks in Chinese, boom, you're getting better answers. Now, we all know that every language and culture has different things they prioritize and different words they put emphasis on, and things are easier in some languages than others based off, what words they have. The whole classic example is like the what is it? I can't say Eskimo. Kendrick Lamar got canceled for that. Okay, so I'm saying a slur right now, but you're allowed to say the slur still as long as it's not negative. The Inuit people, I think, they got a bunch of words for snow. We got one word for snow. They got a bunch because snow is more part of the culture. That makes sense for a lot of languages too. If you're not even thinking about like the spoken language, you're thinking about programming languages. Programming languages are good for different things. Languages that have event loops often are easier for games because games work often in event loops. If you're writing something very mathematical and precise, Haskell, a language built off math, might be easier. If you want to do something that's concurrent, a language like Go, which has concurrency built into it, might be easier to use. All these languages are easier to think and reason about based off of how they were built in that world. Now, if we're trying to solve problems, often we're going to be moving between multiple languages. It's no big deal. If you're a human and you're talking to someone, you know multiple languages, you might be changing multiple languages. But we're now trying to take these AIs and force them to speak one language? No. We need to adapt to what they are. They're the super intelligence. And we've discovered that super intelligence involves them speaking a bunch of languages. I don't care. I want to get all the answers in whatever the raw languages are. And then I don't want a AI step of us, saying, hey, translate this. They're going to dumb it down for us. Okay. We need to work on decoding the text they give us. If it's half, Dutch, half, Mandarin, half English, then keep it that way. And it's our job to try and study and figure out what the translations for those should be, why it chose those languages. Because if we tell it to spit out the answers in just always English or whatever your native language is, we don't know what it's choosing for things. We might start noticing, hey, dang, look at it. It's choosing Polish a lot for all this math stuff. What does that mean? What are the implications? We're hiding these implications from ourselves, which I don't like at all. So I need to find, I guess we could use, R1's open source, right? What can we use of it? Can we use R10? R10 might produce, because I believe R1 runs through multiple stages. We learned last time it goes through 4 stages. A little cold start pre-training stage, a nice RL stage, a stage that focuses on different types of reasoning tasks, and then finally a make it nice for human stage. I tried my best repeating whatever we learned yesterday. So with the R10 though, it's just the raw RL. That raw RL should produce a bunch of different languages. So I just need to get my hands on that R1, just the R10, and just see what it puts out and start studying the patterns and seeing what it starts going to. Or maybe it's going to just put up nothing but Mandarin. I really don't know. But something that's been just tinkering around in my head. Like I said, every day I'm going to be here reading a paper, giving a rant, making an AI prediction because I got a goal this year. It's going to be insane. Can I do 365 videos? I don't know. I'm coding all day. I'm working all day. I'm losing my mind, hanging out with AI friends, trying to build stuff, and just trying to keep up. So I'll be back tomorrow. If I want to talk about something, tell me what to talk about. It's going to be a little bit of a short one, but something to think about. Later.